your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB, taking care of business, taking care of your business.
This is Andre with TCB. In this video, we're going to set up a printer connected to your machine, whether it's on the network or directly connected to your machine. All we have to do that is right-click on the Start menu, click Settings. Under Settings, we'll click on Devices. Under Devices, we're going to click on Printers and Scanners. Then we're going to go ahead and click Add a Printer. Now, whether you have a printer or a scanner connected to the machine, it's going to grab both of them or any other devices that you'll find here. You'll see they'll start to list them here. We don't have to wait for this to finish. As soon as it finds it, we can just click OK, and we can click Add Device here. And what the machine is doing now, it'll either pull the drivers down from Microsoft's website, or if you already have them on your machine, it'll go ahead and install them for you here. It'll take a couple seconds. So just be patient and wait, and we'll get a progress bar here, and once this is finished installing, you can use your printer. Thank you.